Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the DEWALT 20 volt cutout tool for drywall. We're going to test it out. It comes with the battery. It's a 20 volt battery, very light, very easy to attach. You have this drill that you put inside. There's a lock-in mechanism, so a locking button. And this one allows you to regulate the depth. So this thing here moves up and down. You have a knob here to control the movement up and down, so you can adjust the depth. We set the depth so we can cut through the drywall here. We're gonna be cutting the hole for the electrical outlet. Here we have a button on and off, so we just press it on and this goes off. What happens is this thing spins and it's gonna cut the hole. So let's do it. So now we've cut the hole, and what I like is that there is a light. It cuts very nice. This was my first time cutting. It cuts like butter. And now we're gonna take this sheet of drywall, we're gonna attach it and see if it fits. Oh yeah, it fits perfectly.